Hey everybody, this is Giovanni from GS Dezigns. I wanted to do a short video to introduce myself and the company. I'm doing this video as sort of a motivation and to let you guys follow our journey as a company from start. I don't want to say to finish, but just to follow our journey through growing this company. Our company specializes in color changing wraps and vehicle paint protection services and other vehicle modifications also. Again, I want to do this video as a motivation for others. Get out there, do what you love. You know, I've been doing this for a long time, but never as a not professionally and not under this name GS Dezigns. Again, this is the first video I'm making. This isn't anything scripted. I'm just speaking from the heart and just kind of winging it. Again, I hope you guys can follow us. You know, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit us up on Instagram. You know, keep in contact with us and message us and call us with any needs that you guys have. I'm going to follow this up and do a short video on wrapping an interior piece from a 2004 Audi A4. And the reason why I'm doing an interior piece is because this is where I started. I started small. I started doing little modifications to the car, removing trims and kind of spraying them to a color that I liked, or you know, wrapping interior pieces for a different color or a different effect, or in vinyl or fabric. This is where I started. I started small, and from there it only led to engine rebuilds and a lot of other stuff. So once again, guys, you know, get out there, do what you love, and you know, check out the pictures, check out our videos to follow, and hopefully you learn something, and hopefully we learn something from you guys in return. All right, love you guys. Once again, subscribe, like this video, and hit us up on Instagram. Okay, love you guys. Giovanni, GS Dezigns, out. All right, everybody. So here's the piece from a 2004 Audi A4. This is the driver's side door trim. As you can see, it's kind of scratched up and hazy, and there's glue on it. This was previously wrapped. So when we removed the wrap that was already on there, it left a little bit of adhesive, which will come off no problem with some alcohol. But there are some scratches on it, so we're going to rewrap it in a satin graphite metallic color. So there it is. So let's get started. So first thing you need is clean surface, clean work area. I'm actually doing this from home on my workbench, so I just laid down a microfiber towel, just so there's no other dust or stuff to get caught between the vinyl and the part itself. So get yourself some alcohol, some isopropyl alcohol. And also a clean microfiber. Guys, buy a quality microfiber, because a lot of these things will just leave dust behind while you're cleaning. So get yourself a good quality microfiber. So we're going to go ahead and put some on here. These are wrap gloves. Show you right there. So it's kind of nice, especially when you're wrapping a car. It kind of saves your fingertips, especially if you're using a heat gun. But I'm just going to use my hands for this part. It's fine. I have a green colored squeegee with a blue monkey strip on it. You can see there. This is just so you don't scratch the actual vinyl when you're putting it on. I may not need this for this part because it's so tiny. It's just a small area. I might just use my hands. But you get the idea. And also, good quality blade. It's from NT Cutter. It's called a red dot, they call it. You can kind of see why right there. It's a breakaway blade. These are super sharp, guys, so be careful. Start peel one side off here. I'm just going to start with this flat area here. Again, just go over it one more time. Make sure there's no dust on it, no remaining dust. Make sure that alcohol is totally dry before you start wrapping it. Just going to take it. I'll run it down like this. Get the rest of this off here. And as you're going, make sure there's no bubbles, no dust that's stuck under there. Just go nice and easy. Sorry, I went a little off camera there. But again, just go nice and easy. Make sure there's no bubbles, no pieces of dust or dirt stuck under there as you're wrapping. You can see that curve right there. See how it's starting to wrinkle up right there? That's from that sharp curve. Little bubble. It's okay, you just lift it. A nice little tug. And there you go. The vinyl just kind of starts to form on there. Get rid of this. And what you want to do, just start working this vinyl inside out, inside out. Never work from out to in because you're just going to push your material into the part or into the panel that you're working on. You're going to get wrinkles right in the middle. So this is where that sharp little turn is right there. See that? So what I'm going to do is pretty warm in here. The vinyl's actually warm, so I don't need a heat gun right now, but just give it a nice tug. Start pulling those fingers. See that right there? Start pulling those fingers out of the vinyl. Going to cut some of this excess material off here. Put that aside. Pause this for a moment. Just going to grab my heat gun. Alright. So these corners here, this is where you're going to want to heat. So grab your heat gun. Some heat there. Kind of let the vinyl do the work. Don't pull too hard on the corners because you will rip a hole right through there. Hopefully that focuses in there. More heat. This is where that curve is. So the vinyl's pretty tight here. This is where you're gonna, again, a little bit of heat. You'll see the vinyl. You'll see that vinyl kind of shrink and relax a little bit. You can see how much more pliable it is. And you just pull it right around. Again, watch out for these corners. See, I got a little wrinkle there. I'm just going to lift this back up. Alright guys, sorry the battery on my camera died. So I'm recharged. So I kept working the vinyl around the back of the part. And you could see right there, I don't have a ton of vinyl back there. You don't have to wrap it all the way to here, especially over the clips. You don't want to have vinyl on top of the clips because you go put it back in the car and the thing just won't sit right, or it won't even clip in at all. So give it a nice trim there.